Review delivery of training session. Learning objectives. Understand key points to assess when reviewing training delivery. Evaluate trainer preparation and participants' engagement. Review session organization, structure and trainer communication skills. Assess knowledge transfer effectiveness, trainer adaptability, and materials use. Consider the overall impact of a training session. What is training evaluation? Training evaluation is the process of checking if the training was effective. It gathers feedback and information to see what was learned and what can be improved. It helps identify strengths and weaknesses after the training. Training evaluations looks at three important areas: knowledge, our cognitive domain, what the learners know and understand after the training. It measures learning and understanding of the topics discussed. Skills, psychomotor domain, what the learners can do correctly. It checks if they can apply what they learn through activities or tasks. Attitude, affective domain, how the learners feels, behave, and responds to the training. It measures their interest, motivation, and confidence. These three components help determine if the training achieved its goals. Program implementation is how the training is planned and conducted. It includes the program design, course content, training methods, management, and the trainer's competence. These areas help determine if the training was successful. The use of pre-test and post-test in training evaluation. A pre-test is given before training to determine what participants already know, while a post-test is given after training to measure what they have learned. Comparing the results help assess learning gains. Questionnaires can also be used to evaluate skills, attitudes, and program implementation. Feedback methods used in training evaluation. Feedback helps improve future training sessions and supports management decisions. Feedback can come from different sources, such as participants, trainers, supervisors, and self-assessment. Gathering feedback provides valuable information about the effectiveness of the training. Methods of evaluation. Methods. Evaluation sheets. Advantage. Cheap and easy to use. It helps identify areas for improvement. Disadvantage. Cannot confirm its skills were learned. Limited information. Interviews or trainee supervisors provide in-depth information, helps explore problems. Time consuming depends on interview skills. Supervisor's observation uses checklists, gives expert opinion, may affect trainee performance, time consuming. And lastly, evaluation workshops allows open discussion, gives detailed insights, and time consuming and costly, and needs skill facilitator. CBT evaluation tools, core tools. These are the ways to collect feedback and evaluate training. Rating sheets. Learners give score. Example 1 to 5. Focus group discussion. Group talks about their experiences. Document review. Checking records like tests or reports. Self-evaluation. Trainer or learners assess themselves. Focus group discussion or FGD. It is a method of collecting opinions and feedback from participants. The process includes preparing evaluation, question, organizing a meeting with respondents, and facilitating a discussion to gather ideas and reach a common understanding about the training program. Document at review as an evaluation method. It involves collecting and analyzing records related to the training program. Example, include reviewing average training time, success rates in assessments, and written comments from participants, supervisors, and stakeholders. These documents help determine the effectiveness of the training. Self-evaluation, where trainers assess their own performance to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Self-evaluation can be done during training for immediate adjustment and after training for a more detailed review. Improvement strategies including recording training session, seeking feedback from college, and comparing teaching methods with industry standards. For our conclusion, reviewing and evaluating training session, especially competency-based training or CBT, is essential for continuous improvement. By using tools such as pre- and post-test feedback for participants and self-evaluation checklist, trainers can ensure their sessions are effective, engaging and aligned with learning objectives. Self-evaluation allows trainers to reflect on daily practices, while consistent review helps deliver training that meets both the needs of trainees and the goals of the organization.